Okay, so what if you have four parts you want to machine in one setup? Okay, so basically you just create the machining operations just like before in one time, okay? And we got them under a work 0, and this work 0 is located at this coordinate system, 0, 0, Z at 1.625. That's right here at the top of this workpiece, your first workpiece. And we're outputting the G54 as well. Check this box and enter the G54 there, and then it'll output it when you post. So what we're going to, all you have to do, we actually have a mop set here. You don't really need a mop set. Well, it just makes it more convenient to grab all of these together and move them around, and you can create a mop set up here from the Tools and Utilities menu. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create another work 0. Okay, and I have the coordinates written down here to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to go 0, 0. That's the first one. For the second one, we're going to go with 7.5, 0, 1.625. Turn on the G54 and generate it. So there's our second one. And we might as well go ahead and do the other two while we're at it. And we can rename this, and we'll call this work offset 2, and we'll create another one. And for the third one, we're going to set it to 0, 7.5, and these are just the coordinates of the locations of the other instances. So, and then the third will be 6.25. So we're going to generate that. That's the third one, and we'll call this work offset 3, and we'll create one more, and the fourth one will be 7.5 by 7.5 by 1.625, and we'll call this work offset 4. Okay, so basically you create it once and then move it over under the work 0, and it'll output in that position. Let's go ahead and post this so we can move on. We'll do a post all. And let's go ahead and look for, let's just look for work 0. Do my edit bind. There's your work 0. There's your second work 0. Here's your G54. And then your next one, and then your next one, and your next one. Well, that was your last one. So you're posting out each operation in the indexed location. Okay, so let's move on since we're running short on time here. I don't want to spend too much time on one part. We got a lot of parts to show you. So
Don, we got to show the XY instancing on this.
Let's go ahead and delete these. So basically for the XY instancing, you just, similar to the polar, we're going to select the XY instancing icon. We're going to do a linear, and we're going to offset it 7.5 and 7.5. So basically we're creating a array, 7.5 in the X, 7.5 in the Y. We're going to make one copy each, and we're going to generate that. So that's your XY instance, and let's go ahead and move these operations. So here's your XY instance, all of your operations together, and it will program out each of those in those index locations. Okay, let's move on to the next one here. We're going to do